pinaalala niyo po sa akin na lumindol, and because lumindol, kailangan mag-Chanel. Because I'm alive. So that's where I'm going right now. In the exact same Chanel kung saan ako nagkwento sa inyo because I survived the lindol and I was alive then. So I'm going there now because I deserve earrings and nako. Because sa hilong inabot ko naman, let's make it a bag. Let's go. Ayoko mamatay while crossing the street to get to Chanel. Let's go. Ayaw nila nag-shoot while inside. So, we'll just shoot me going inside. And then, in case I buy anything, that's when I'll show it all to you later, okay? Let's do unboxing. Not in this room because we're gonna transfer hotels. Pero, papakita ko sa inyo if ever may mabili ako. And anyway, ang ate ko walang Facebook. Hindi niya mapapanood kung namili man ako. Okay? Let's enjoy because we are alive. Tama daw kayo this. Yes. Going.
Thank you. See you again.
Bye-bye. I'm going to rent a cute taxi.
I'm sorry. Where are you going?
Okay, Odaiba. We're riding this cute one. This is for the Tokyo Olympics. See you. We're on our way. Sinabi ko sa inyo, we moved to a new hotel. So here we go. Thank you, honey, for carrying. That was my prize because I survived the lindol. Okay, I'll open.
I don't have key.
Yeah, wait. I'm sorry, inapakan mo yung Chanel box.
Sorry.
Bingkay. Oh. Yeah, she's mad. Iniwan po kami ni Bingkay nung may high fever si Bill at nag-sumapi. Ay, how nice. Wait, you have to put a card in. Borrow. Hindi tayo makaka-on ng lights. Welcome to our room. There, okay. Let's look. Ano dito yung luggage? Nalagay nila lahat. Come in. Oh, wow! Oh, wait. Here first. Come, Jonathan. Tinan mo. Oh, there is, yan, separate muna. Very good feng shui yan. Na hinihiwalay nila yung toilet. And then, we're going here. Ito na yung bathroom. Oh, nice. The tub is here. The shower is here. Cool. And then here, this is the room. Okay, let's walk. And this is that's why it's called the terrace suite. Ay, ang ganda. Oh, look at the view. Hi, Japan. ay, Jonathan, kunin mo ko na may monorail. Oh, let's walk here. Oh, wow, nice. Ang ganda. Okay, sorry, nilipatan namin yung luggage namin. Ang ganda! So, there's another TV. Yay! Ay, my God, di tayo tinipid. Ang daming Nespresso. Natuwa ako na madami. Diyan ako natutuwa. Yung pag marami. Tapos sinasabi ng mga kapatid ko, mahal na binabahid mo, pwede ka naman mag-baon. Pero sabi ko, those things make it nice. Tingnan natin what's here. Ay, may mirror. Ay, pwede mo i-check kung maganda hair mo. Oh. Nice. Okay. And then, ito na siya. Okay. Ay, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. Ay, you can have a jacuzzi here. And then with the wind blowing. Sabi ko, oh my God, we're in Japan. I can use the jacuzzi naked. Sabi niya, wag naman po. Wag. Ang ganda, grabe. Yan ang view mo. O, see? Ocean view. With the bridges. Ang ganda, no? Tingnan nga natin, check natin if the water runs. Ay, malakas ang water. Oh. Galing. Natutuwa ako. Wala lang, natutuwa ako. This is really, ang ganda. Ay. Ang ganda na to. Okay, so now, bababa na tayo, we'll go back. Kasi, hindi ko kayo dinaan dun sa front door talaga kung saan tayo umikot. But it's so nice. But look at, ang ganda ng skyline. And nakikita, the view is beautiful from here. And think ito yung binabayaran. Ang ganda. Hindi ko kayo dinaan dito kasi marami ng luggage. Hindi amin to lahat There are 5 of us. Yung iba maglilipat ng luggage nila. Ano? Nag-isa lang po kami. Oh, nag-isa lang sila. That's life. Okay. And then, yun lang natin. Mag-cabinets. Yay! Gusto ko to. Let's see. Ito, I've always been curious what this is. Ano ba to?
Plancha.
Ganito. Ang cute. May ganito sa atin? Yeah, but iba kasi yung voltage Paano yun? So, it's 100. Diba iba Japan? Iba kasi rain kasi nila. Ayun. Ay, gano'n. Ay, ang ganda niya. Wala siyang cord? Wala. Nag-charge siya.
Charge. It's a base.
Oh my God, ang galing. Japan is Japan. Of course, it's Japan. We are here in Japan. Sabihin niyo, ano na naman ang kain niya. Because ang ganda nito. Pero mas gusto ko yung steamer. Di ba meron ako? Pwede rin yan? Naku, I'm sure. Philips, nananawagan ako sa inyo. Gumawa kayo ng ganyan na version. Also, ang Philips sana gumawa sila ng gano'n na steamer na yung kanila kasi malaki. Although mabilis. That's what we really use. And I'm gonna demonstrate that well, let's not pretend I'm demonstrating it to you. Jane will demonstrate while I tell Jane what to do.
Your favorite.
Yes. Okay, tapos,
Hindi mo na sige.
ang ganda nito, ang bigat. Pero I like this idea na meron kang tray dito with the ottoman. It's very nice. Yes! Oh, may nag-yes na ito. Tuwan-tuwa na siya. May nagkakalat dito. Wait lang, lalagay ko lang. So that I can sit there. Oh, para I can, tapos pwede kang, tingin-tingin ka dito. Happy-happy ka lang. It's such a nice place to be. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. I promised you an unboxing. So we'll pause first. Okay? Pause. Okay, I promised you an unboxing dun sa Chanel. Ito talaga. We were in Singapore and I was already thinking about it. And then I said, huwag muna. And then I saw it again. And I saw the size. Sa Singapore, they didn't have this. So, nangihinayang akong buksan kasi sayang. Mababalik ba natin to? May price kung mababalik natin to. Memorize natin yan. Sige. Janjaran. Ay, naka-tissue pa. Ganda. Okay. I really fell in love with it, with the pearls. Okay, so talagang sabi ko, deserve ko to kasi buhay ako. There. Demonstrate ko lang sa inyo how you're supposed to use this kasi tinuro sa akin how. Let's preserve the box, And I always keep the ribbons. Okay, I hope I remember. Look at the pearls, it's so nice. There was a bigger version of this, pero walang pearls. So, nag-wagi yung na pearls. Ganito siya na hindi ko magawa. Please, sabi din kayo. Ganyan. Yes, there. And then, you're gonna put it, ganyan. Super. Yan na. Tapos, nandiyan na siya.
I have to fix the pearls kasi nasa...
That is my gift to myself because I'm alive. And because wala namang magbibigay sa akin, hindi ako na lang. May hugot yun. Yes, meron po. There. Hindi ko na alam. Ayan na, there. I'm not showing you the rest because that's for me to be happy. Earrings yung iba, pero ito, sa runway ko to nakita dun sa collection nila. And I promised you isang unboxing, isa lang, because, wala lang, because isa lang. Thank you very, very much. Hindi ko na kaya. Sandali, wait. I'm so sorry. Isirain ko pa siya. Hold natin ng maayos. Balik ko sa box. Okay. I just want to say thank you to all of you because we were looking at the views and nagulat ako na doon sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport na iya, I think we're at 5.2 million. Am I correct? Mga ganon, no? And then, nung si Kuya at ako naglalakad sa Odaiba and kinary niya yung pink bag ko, that's at 5.1. And then, I think 2.3 million yung naglalakad kami naman with Erich and Bimb and nung bumibili kami ng sweets sa Milky. Nahiya po ako. Na-realize ko lang na hindi man ako nagsuklay. And parang ngayon lang na parang sinisenyosan ako na is-ayusin ko yung hair ko. Okay. As I'm doing this now, parang it's a day. A day after we uploaded that. So that's already at 1.1 million views. Thanks for enjoying me. I don't know if you're enjoying me, or enjoying laughing at me, or enjoying laughing with me. Whatever man yun. At least, mukhang naaliw kayo. So that makes me happy na naaaliw kayo. And can I just call on my baby?
What, Mom?
Because I'm so proud of you.
What?
Because even though you went through so much during school and you made me bantay and you made absent and you went to school and I mean
Move.
you went to Singapore and then you were with me and then but you still managed no grade below 90 for the entire grade 6. So good job, dude.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you very much. And it gives me pleasure po to be able to share parts of our life with you. Parts lang. We're not sharing all. Kasi if we shared all, mababaliw na kayo sa amin. So, may portions kami hindi na lang pinapakita sa inyo. I'll be home in a few days. Because napaaga. I gotta work to pay for these. Okay, so I love you. Thank you very much. Kung na-enjoy nyo to, please continue watching our video uploads dito sa Facebook. And if you like it also, there's a bell dito sa YouTube. And if you click on that, you'll have notifications every time I have something new. So it's Chris Aquino, both on Facebook and also on YouTube. God bless you all. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the rest of your week.